In the normal imaging sequence for transesophageal echo that we use, the mid-esophageal aortic valve short axis is the first image that we typically acquire. The omniplane is typically at 40 to 50 degrees, and the ideal image includes the aortic valve in cross-section centered on the screen. Now, one should note the overall structure of the aortic valve, specifically whether or not it is trileaflet, as would be expected in most normal human beings. The three coronary cusps of the aortic valve are the left, and the right, and the intraatrial septum typically will bisect the non-coronary cusp. One should also note any obvious calcification of the aortic valve during this view.